Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Text Now and granting the app permission for notifications, microphone, and contacts so calls and texts work. Next, create your account with an email, check that inbox and enter the verification code immediately. Once verified, claim a local Text Now number, pick an area code you need, and save that 10-digit number. These first steps get you an active line quickly, so you can send your first message within minutes. Once done, make sure you connect to Wi-Fi for the clearest calls. If you prefer mobile data, enable it in settings. Sync or import your contacts so names appear instead of numbers. This also speeds up texting. Then review credits and voicemail options. Buy credits if you plan to call non-text now numbers. Customize message bubble, notification, and blocking preferences. These choices control how you're reachable and prevent spam, which keeps your messaging smooth and reliable. To finish, start a conversation. Tap a contact or enter a number, send a text or MMS, and place calls using your Text Now number. Make sure voicemail and call forwarding are set to your preference so you never miss messages. For ongoing use, keep the app updated and review privacy settings periodically. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache and reconnect Wi-Fi. If the problem persists, toggle permissions and then contact Text Now support. This solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.